Hey guys, Kling 3.0 is coming soon, and today we will talk about Higgsfield and everything we know about Kling 3.0. First thing, click the special link in my description. It takes you straight here, the Higgsfield.ai AI video generator dashboard. Super simple and creator friendly. This is where you actually make AI videos, one click process. Right now, the platform gives you access to these existing Kling models. Kling 2.5 Turbo, fast and high quality, generates 5-second clips in 1080p, perfect for quick experiments and short animations. Kling 2.6 adds native audio generation, better lip sync and ambient sounds, great when you need voice or background noise in your clip. Kling 01, also called Omni, focuses on character consistency, scene continuity and multimodal reasoning, keeps the same person or object looking the same across movements. Motion control handles complex physics, camera movements, and long duration character motion in one generation. Really good for dynamic scenes. All these models are live right here on Higgsfield. You can switch between them and generate videos immediately, no waiting. See how easy it is? Step 1. Add image, upload your photo or generate one with AI to start image to video. Step 2. Choose preset. Over 250 ready styles like crash zoom, dolly in, slow motion, VFX explosion. Pick one and AI applies the movement automatically. Then hit generate, boom, super fast. But guys, this is just the current stuff. Now comes the really exciting news. Kling 3.0 is coming soon. The future of AI video is on Higgsfield. The era of the AI director coming soon. Enhanced audio generation, character voices generated and integrated directly into the video. Multi-shot narratives, storyboard workflow, cinematic sequences, camera transitions, shot reverse shot all in one pass. Directorial physics, realistic gravity, fluid dynamics, object interactions. Native 4K cinematic workflow, Ultra HD 4K output with perfect text rendering. Extended cinematic pacing, up to 15 seconds native generation, full story arcs. Absolute subject consistency, characters and objects stay perfect across shots. Intelligent scene reasoning, edit videos with natural language commands. Lock characters, props and voices with Elements 3.0, even more control. Kling 3.0 is Kuaishao's first unified multimodal model, from separate updates to full AI director workflow, expected in the coming days on Higgsfield. Join the waitlist, sign up to get early access. This page is pure hype for what's coming, super exciting for creators. If you like it, join the waitlist from the page. This is the Higgsfield blog post we are covering. Expectations from Kling 3.0 AI Video User Discussion Analysis by Mariam Barkova, posted January 29, 2026. Right at the top, it says Kling 3.0 isn't released yet, but all the signals are pointing to a huge step forward, unifying generation, transformation, and consistency into one smooth workflow. Higgsfield already gives access to current Kling models, and this is clearly building up for the launch soon. Quick disclaimer, Kling 3.0 has not been officially released. Everything here is based on public updates, patterns, and community discussions. Nothing is confirmed. First section, signals for a unified Kling Video 3.0. It's turning into an end-to-end platform, not separate tools. Key signals, tighter integration of generation, transformation, and refinement stages. Everything feels connected, no more jumping around. Longer formats, from short clips to longer videos with improved temporal coherence, visual stability, and character consistency, so you don't need heavy post-editing. Structured multi-scene generation, full multi-shot sequences instead of single clips, camera moves, pacing, and flow all guided by your prompt, making it cinematic. Subject consistency gets upgraded. Characters and objects stay stable across shots and movements, essential for real storytelling. Next, mapping existing Kling releases. Looking at what's already out shows the clear progression to Kling 3.0. Kling 2.6 brought native audio, fixed lip sync, and ambient sounds, big for integrated audio video. Kling 01 or Omni improved multimodal reasoning, character consistency, scene continuity, and director memory. Motion control handled complex physics, camera movement, and long-duration character motion in one go. All these are building blocks for Kling 3.0. Now the hype. What to possibly expect from Kling 3.0? Native 4K and high frame rate. Current is 1080p, but look for native 4K output, maybe 60 FPS, perfect for pro work, ads, broadcast. Regional in-painting and AI video editing. Edit specific parts of a video without full regeneration, makes it a true editing tool. Improved physics and character interaction, better object handling, clock, facial animation, close contacts, much fewer glitches. Longer durations, expect 30 to 60-second clips, great for stories, education, short films. Note, current models like O1 2.6 motion control are already on Higgsfield for you to try right now. What Kling 3.0 will mean? It's moving AI video from experiments to professional production tools with real workflow efficiency and narrative coherence. Benefits: better story flow, faster iteration, controlled refinements instead of full regenerations. For creators, small studios, marketers, high-quality results without big teams or expensive setups. Kling 3.0 is exactly what we need. Unified workflows, longer clips, cinematic structure, closing the gap to traditional filmmaking. That's the complete blog breakdown. All the signals, builds, expectations, and why Kling 3.0 could be a game changer for creators like us. Really exciting. If you're hyped, check the links in description and try Higgsfield yourself. Drop a comment. What would you create with Kling 3.0?